SANAN Technology Contemporary. Shenzhen SANAN Technology Company Limited is a high-tech enterprise with a factory area of more than 2,000 square meters and 130 employees, whose monthly product output is up to 60,000 units. SANAN grows with employees and help them create opportunities for career and self-recognition. With implementation being the #1 productive force, we are adhering to the spirit of innovation, pragmatism, dedication, efficiency, and enthusiasm, constantly learning, doing every job conscientiously and responsibly, and achieving self-worth. Innovation is the soul of a company and the core theme of development of SANAN. And a strong R&D department is the key to our innovation and excellence. For more than a decade, we have been working on the development of CCTV cameras, digital video recorders, and closed-circuit security monitoring system, and at least 10% of sales revenue is spent on R&D every year. With sufficient financial support, SANAN launches 2 new cameras every year, including IP and AHD camera, controlling keyboard, consumer video camera, hard disk recorders, solar energy equipment, security components, face recognition system, and GPS card positioning. SANAN combines technology and advances with the times to ensure the excellent performance of the products. In 2016, the company launched MDVR and dome camera and wireless monitoring integrated machines, etc., and became a global sources quality supplier and obtained a number of patent certificates. In 2017, the company's products passed CE, FCC, RoHS, and other international certifications. A variety of innovative products with distinctive features went to the market, and SANAN participated in Mexico, Dubai, Vietnam, Indonesia exhibitions, in which SANAN achieved the product certification and qualification upgrades. SANAN grows with customers and shares the joy of helping customers to create wealth. With the brand upgrading and service also upgrades, we adhere to the principle of quality first, leading time second, cost last, providing customers with customized services and professional solutions for safety and monitoring services. With a comprehensive service system and deep awareness of service, we can meet customers' requirements and expectations, provide better solutions and more innovative products, and help customers create wealth and achieve a win-win situation. SANAN grows with the society and creates value for society. SANAN Technology has become a world-renowned CCTV product solution provider and manufacturer. The partners and sales network of SANAN cover more than 70 countries including China, the United States, Europe, South America, Africa, and the Middle East. Globally, 100,000 companies in more than 120 countries use our products. We keep up with the pace of science and technology, walking the forefront of the times, help the development of the social economy, and work hard for the national science and technology.
深圳市SANAN科技有限公司是一家国高新企业的公司，本公司成立8年，未来我们将生产养活销售会一体，把产品销往全世界各地。
To be the leader of the industry is the goal and pursuit of SANAN. Choosing SANAN is to choose a professional, and believing in SANAN is to believe in technology.